welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm gonna share you guys my February favorite. I'm so surprised it's time to make monthly favorite videos. Wow. Anyway, I have some items I really enjoy for this month, so let's get started. The first item is definitely a fashion item, and I already showed you guys before this clothing. This is a beautiful magenta color coat. I got it from Spade. I got it on Black Friday. I mean last year, but I haven't worn it for a long time because one of the buttons was out. But yesterday I finally sew it. I'm so proud of myself, so I can wear it again. I so fall in love wearing this coat again because the color is so beautiful, and you know, in Toronto not many people wear in colors. It brightens up the whole outfit according to other people. It's an A-line coat, so it looks really feminine and cute. The reason why I introduced this coat again, this is, I told you guys, I'm working on the mindset that being more grateful I've already got, because whenever I see a lot of fashion YouTubers, they just show a bunch of new clothing and that makes me jealous and envy them because I don't have any clothing right now. So this is, I'm trying to use all my clothing I've already got and being more grateful. And I also introduced this hat before, but this pom-pom was out. I sewed it too. I was so proud of myself. I love you to wear with you. The next item I want to share is definitely beauty product. This coconut coffee body cream. Damn, I didn't have any plan to get it because I went to the drugstore before buying a cocoa smell body lotion I've used for a long time. But when I saw it, I should get it because I love coconut smell, I love coffee. And I love this like cream texture instead of lotion because creamy textures keep longer on my body. The smell is just heaven. It smells like a little coffee flavored popcorn. So this sounds weird, but it's true. Whenever I stressed out, I just love to put really good smell body lotion on my body. That's one of my habits, to be honest. So I'm really happy about this product, and it's easy to get one because you can get it at drugstore. So I highly recommend if you need a new body lotion. The next item I want to share is a book. I read this book before, The Fourth Agreement, but I didn't know about that. The author released a new book, The Fifth Agreement. So I listened to that audiobook while, you know, assembling IKEA stuff. You guys know that I moved in a new apartment, so I just bored to just assemble all my stuff, and I love to listen to audiobook that really fulfilled me. You know, there are 4 agreements, but the author added one more agreement. You don't have to believe, but you have to listen, because sometimes we starve on ourselves, like we just believe our beliefs. Who knows? The other person who speaks to us knows more about things we don't know about it. I prefer to have a deep conversation with others, so it's not that hard for me, just listen to others, but sometimes I have some prejudices, you know, first impression. Don't want to have a deep conversation. So that book helps me being aware of my habits. The next item is definitely home decor stuff, because I moved in, so I bought my stuff from IKEA. I want to share this freaking cute rug. How soft it is. Whenever I'm standing on this rug with barefoot, it feels like the fur, a cat's fur. This rug is around 12. It looks like this. How to describe this shape? It looks like a big arrow. It's not big. I need a small rug near my bed, but I want to get a big rug. Putting a rug in my room looks really cozy, and that's aesthetically pleasing. So the last thing I really enjoy for this month is the best purchase. A new ring light behind my camera. Because of that ring light, my video quality gets a lot better, and I really enjoy to film a lot. The product is this. I got it from Amazon. So I have a lot of plans for creating fashion, beauty, lifestyle content by using my new light. So please subscribe and support me, that helps me a lot. So I have another future plan for getting a new light, not ring light, I mean just big light for filming outfit lookbook styling videos. So I'm really excited. Anyway, this is all I enjoy for February. I also want to listen to what's your favorite on February, so comment down below which one is your favorite. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and see you on my next video. Bye.